Have you ever dreamed of living in a cozy, charming English country home? Today, we're diving into the timeless elegance of English country style. Welcome back to Visionary Designs. Imagine a home filled with floral patterns, antique furniture, and a mix of textures and colors that create a serene, inviting atmosphere. From the living room to the bedroom, we'll show you how to bring the enchanting beauty of the English countryside into your home. Stay tuned for tips and inspiration that will transform your space into a cozy haven. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest design inspirations. Let's dive in. English country style is all about creating warm, inviting spaces that feel both cozy and elegant. This style combines rustic charm with refined sophistication, using a mix of floral patterns, antique furniture, and a variety of textures and colors. Whether you're in a countryside cottage or a city apartment, this timeless aesthetic can bring the serene beauty of the English countryside into your home. Imagine stepping into a living room that feels both welcoming and elegant. In English country-style living rooms, comfort is key. Picture a space filled with plush, comfortable seating, sofas and armchairs adorned with floral patterned cushions and cozy throws. Antique wooden furniture, like a coffee table or a bookshelf, adds a sense of history and charm. Large windows with flowing, patterned curtains let in plenty of natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Don't forget the fireplace, often the focal point, decorated with a mix of vintage finds and fresh flowers. The overall feel is one of timeless elegance and cozy comfort, perfect for both relaxation and entertaining guests. Let's move to the heart of the home, the kitchen, where rustic charm meets functionality. The kitchen in an English country home is the heart of the household. Picture a space with classic wooden cabinetry painted in soft, muted tones like sage green or duck egg blue. Open shelving displays an array of vintage crockery and glass jars filled with pantry essentials, adding both functionality and visual interest. A large wooden dining table sits at the center, perfect for family meals and gatherings. Copper pots and pans hanging from a rack and a vase of fresh herbs on the windowsill bring in a touch of nature and warmth. The overall effect is a practical yet charming space that feels welcoming and lived in. Next, let's set the stage for memorable meals in an elegant dining room. In an English country-style dining room, tradition and elegance come together beautifully. Imagine a long wooden dining table surrounded by a mix of chairs, each adding its own character to the space. A lace tablecloth or a simple runner adds a touch of refinement. For the centerpiece, fresh flowers or a bowl of seasonal fruits add color and life. Antique cabinets and a sideboard display fine china and glassware, while soft lighting from a chandelier or sconces creates a warm and inviting ambience. This room is designed for comfort and elegance, making every meal feel special and intimate. Now let's create a peaceful retreat with an English country-style bedroom. The bedroom is a sanctuary in English country style. Picture a room with a wrought iron or wooden bed frame adorned with layers of soft linens, quilts, and floral-patterned cushions. Vintage bedside tables and lamps with fabric shades add a touch of charm and history. The walls might feature floral wallpaper or a collection of framed botanical prints, enhancing the room's serene and inviting feel. A cozy armchair by the window and a plush rug underfoot complete the look, creating a space that is both elegant and comfortable, perfect for rest and relaxation. Let's add some classic elegance to your bathroom with these design tips. An English country-style bathroom combines practicality with elegance. Imagine a space with a freestanding clawfoot tub as the centerpiece. White or pastel-colored tiles create a clean, classic look, while vintage-style fixtures in brass or chrome add a touch of sophistication. A wooden vanity with a marble countertop and an antique mirror above provides both functionality and charm. Fresh flowers and scented candles enhance the relaxing atmosphere, making this bathroom a luxurious retreat. Bringing English country style into your home combines the best of rustic charm and refined elegance, creating spaces that are both beautiful and inviting. From the living room to the bedroom, each area is designed to offer comfort and charm. We hope these tips inspire you to transform your home into a cozy countryside haven. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments which room transformation you loved the most. Thank you for watching Visionary Designs, and we'll see you in the next video.